Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious mixed sprout salad. First, let's talk about the sprouts themselves. You'll want to sprout various legumes such as mung, moth, or chickpeas. This process usually takes about 2 to 3 days. Once ready, ensure your sprouts are fresh and firm. Always rinse them thoroughly under cold water before you begin preparing your salad to ensure they are perfectly clean and ready to enjoy. Next, let's prepare our fresh vegetables. You'll need to finely chop 1 medium-sized onion, 1 ripe tomato, and 1 crisp cucumber. For a little kick, dice 1 green chili, adjusting the amount to your preference. Don't forget a small bunch of fresh coriander leaves, finely chopped, to add a wonderful aroma and flavor. Always make sure all your vegetables are thoroughly washed and dried before you start chopping them. Now, let's create the vibrant dressing that will bring all the flavors together. In a small bowl, combine the fresh juice of 1 whole lemon with 1 teaspoon of aromatic chaat masala. Then, add about 1/2 teaspoon of black salt and a small pinch of freshly ground black pepper for an extra zing. Whisk all these dressing ingredients together thoroughly until they are perfectly combined and ready to coat your salad. Finally, it's time to assemble our delicious mixed sprout salad. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your prepared sprouts, all the freshly chopped vegetables, and the flavorful dressing you just made. Toss everything together thoroughly, ensuring every ingredient is evenly coated with the zesty dressing. Serve your vibrant mixed sprouts salad immediately to enjoy its fresh taste and wonderful crunchy texture. It's a healthy and delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.